Hey y'all, hey, it's Lyrics Charade, and I'm going to show you how to create a smoky eye with the True Complexion Contour Palette and the Brilliant Effects Midnight Magic Palette from Black Radiance. We have to get into this luminous dry oil. We're going to distribute that all over the face evenly. We're going to make sure we rub that in nicely in an upward motion because we don't want to drag down our face. We don't want it to sag. We're going to hydrate and moisturize our skin, get it nice and prepped. And now we're going to go in with the spoolie and we are going to brush up our brows. Use this Precision Brow Sculptor in the shade Black Suede. This is so perfect to do hair-like strokes because it's so precise, it's small, and it's just, look at it. It speaks for itself. We're going to use the Long Wear Concealer, and we're going to use the shade Fair because I want a nice bright arch in my nice under eye area, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna pat that out. We're gonna make sure it's blended, and then we're gonna go in with a darker shade. This is the shade Light, and we're gonna make sure we like kind of sculpt out our brow a little bit more. And now we're going to blend that out because we don't want any harsh lines. We're gonna go in with our medium to dark or dark to deep concealer, and we're gonna use that as a base for our eyeshadow. So we're gonna blend that out nicely and set it with some loose setting powder in the shade Banana. We're going in with our Tribal Bright palette, and we're going to go in with this shade. It's called Sunny Side. We're going to use that as our, I want to say, transition color. We're going to use this one, which is called Hypnotic, as our crease color. We're going to go in with the shade BGM in a packing brush. We're going to put that all over the lid, and we're going to fluff that out with a nice fluffy brush. We're going to blend it out with a fluffy brush because it's needed. We're going to go in with our long-lasting toning face primer, and now we're going to use our foundation stick as a contour stick, and we're just going to underpaint a little bit before we put our foundation on. We're going in with the Color Perfect liquid foundation from Black Radiance in the shade Bisque, and now we're going to blend that out with our foundation brush. We're going to make sure we do it in a stamping motion because we didn't color correct and we have hyperpigmentation, so we want to get some full coverage. We're going back in with the concealers. We're going to go in with the light shade in the inner corners of the eyes. And then we're going to go in with maybe something close to our actual skin tone. Just a little bit lighter. We're going to let that sit as we blend out the rest of our T-zone area. Now we're going to blend out our eye, and that gave us nice full coverage. We're going to set it with some setting powder, again, in the shade Banana. We're going to press it into the skin. You see that difference? Get some black on that waterline. We're going to go in with the True Complexion Contour Palette to nicely define our face, okay? We are going to snatch it up. What we're going to do is contour this face to the gods. We're going to go into the Bold and Sexy palette. We're going to use the shade Glow Off, and this is a highlighter, as you can see. I'm going to pop that in the inner corner of our eyes. We're going to smoke out the bottom, the lash line. Give us a nice sultry look. Blend and smoke it out. We're going to use these two shades for blush. Pop on some lash glue. Go in with the Liquid Fine Line Liquid Liner, my favorite. We're going to darken our mole, pop on these lashes. And now we're going to set the rest of our face with our pressed powder. We're going to go in with our matte setting spray. So we're going to reinforce the matteness with the matte setting spray. I like it to fall beautifully on the skin. Let it dry down. Go in with the Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream. And we're going to top it off with the nice clear gloss. And boom, here is our finished look. We are ready. This is a complete slay. Like, where are the dinner reservations? Because, honey, it is a slay, okay? We need to be seen. It's beautiful, it's soft, but it's sexy, and it's giving evening. But we can go grocery shopping in this as well. I need you to run to your local beauty supply store, your local drug store, or even get on the site, okay? And get you some of these Black Radiance beauty products because why? Look, you need some of this gorgeousness. If not you, then who? Catch you in the next one. Bye.